Hey guys, how are you? Andy, super founder, CEO, Y2K Credit Solutions, consumer credit expert. I saved the best for last. All right. Let's go. So, you guys who's been following Y2K for a while, since 2006 when the firm opened up, I told you guys how I got into the business, right? I did a video about this thing once, and this video I think was done in 2008. And coming to find out, a lot hasn't changed with the way credit is being approved. So I figured I'd do a newer video or updated video about this, right? So this is why I'm a consumer credit expert. I have the title. This is why I'm not one of these clowns that's like the HIM 500s and the credit dudes and you know, all the scammers that go on these podcasts talking about their credit experts, they fix credit. Unless you work for one of the bureaus, you're just a person online buying and selling courses and taking someone else's course and trying to rehash it and resell it to consumers and all this baloney nonsense. You guys seen the nonsense some people selling me. I'm like, wow. This is Decision Lender. Take a look at it. 3-page document, right? Now I can never give you guys this document. I could probably post a piece of it on the video, but this is proprietary to the bureau, so I cannot let you guys have this. This is what I did at the bureaus. This is how a bank pulls data from the credit bureau and in 30 seconds approve or deny you on a credit card. These are the parameters. I'll come a little closer, you could read it. These are the parameters how every single bank for a loan, credit card, line of credit, any of that things that you're applying for a bank, any kind of finance that you're applying for from a bank or financial institution, these are the same rules that are used. However, you always hear me say that it's not a person approving you, it's a 49-point pass-fail system. What does it say here? 49 pass-fail system. These are the criteria of what every single bank uses to approve credit. So now some banks may vary. Some banks may not want to may allow you to apply at 17 years old. That could be a rule that's going to change. Some banks may say, oh, you can't have more than $5,000 in debt. Apply, right? So when you apply for a credit card or you apply for a loan, and whatever you put on that application, the creditor is going to take that application, submit it to their system. That's going to go to the credit bureaus. In 30 seconds, your report is going to be dissected, and only the data that they require from your credit report or the data that's written in this script right here is going to pull off from your credit report, and then it gets put into readable format back to the bank. Now, when the bank gets that, it's either approved or denied. That's why you realize that Discover now, when you apply for an application or apply for a credit card, yeah, you may have the credit score, but the income does not look sufficient that you put there to match with how you pay in your credit cards. This is why a lot of them are asking you for tax returns and proof of W-2, your pay stub. And if you don't supply it, they close the card on you because you can't lie on these things anymore. Technology has changed so much. And the reason why I'm doing this video now, I'm going back over this with you guys, because you guys are always asking me, I'm getting denied. It's because you don't pass it. It's not a person approving you. You don't pass the criteria that they require to approve that credit card. So I just wanted to show you guys one more time. This is what a consumer credit expert does at the credit bureaus. This is how you get that title. And this is why we're not a smoking mirror, smoking gun company like what you see out here and all these people. We're not selling a course. We're not changing your lives with BS videos. Showing you documents proof. This is how credit is approved. And it's more so stringent now than before because a lot of banks are tightening up their criteria and their guidelines. Like, for example, it says co-applicant. If the co-applicant time of residence is less than 6 months, deny. So 1 point, deny. I'll read one more to you guys. Oh, this is the same concept for an auto loan as well, right? If the applicant time on file of credit data on file is less than 60 months, it's a pass. You pass that. Sorry, greater than 60 months. Sorry, greater than 60 months, pass. And with that, number of repossession has to be 0. Any that, by the way, glad I read that. That's what FICO 10 or FICO 10T does for the auto loan industry. They're able to, even though it's not in your credit report, they're able to pull this data from the back end and see if you have repossessions. So it has to be 0. If it's 1, it's a fail. Social Security number variance. So Social Security variance came about now more so because a lot of people are trying to do CPNs. CPN is a fraud. It's a scam. You got these clowns on here telling you get a CPN. It's illegal. It does not work. You cannot buy someone as a social and all of a sudden create a profile on it. You can't even do trade lines on it. It doesn't work. It's a fail. So this is what I did at the Bureau. This is why I'm knowledgeable in credit, and when I'm speaking to you guys, I'm speaking to you guys with facts. This is how it goes down. This is why I just want to show you guys this video. But if you have, I really can't give you guys this, but I'll answer any questions you guys have about a criteria or a rule that's a pass or fail on the application every single bank uses. So if you have any questions, comment, drop it below. I'll try to answer it. And that's it. That's all the videos I have. I'll get you guys more videos soon. Talk to you soon. Well, but also you guys keep dropping those DMs with the topics you want me to talk about, and keep sending me those fugazi, frivolous videos, and I'll break it down for you guys and tell you the truth behind it. Talk to you soon. Have a good day.